You are the only one who can actually change the situation that you're in. Maybe this is a sign that you need to stop and figure out redirection and maybe try something else. So that's what I did. So, quick recap. I moved into my first solo apartment in New York City about a year and a half ago.
We did it, Joe.
And it was a full-blown horror story.
The entire apartment reeked of gas.
I ultimately decided it was time to leave and embrace change. So I packed all my stuff and headed off to Jersey City. But plot twist, we're still facing issues.
It's so exciting.
Welcome to the moving vlog. I call this episode, Life is About Perspective. Y'all, I'm getting this return out of my house officially. So now I have room to walk and it looks so open because it is. I'm giving that projector to my friend Monica who helped me move. And look how beautiful. I still need to figure out what to do with that photo, but we're gonna figure this out, you guys. I'm getting so cute. Oh, maybe though. Oh, amazing. Thank you. This ramen deserves it, honestly. Today's the day we hang these paintings. I got this when I was in Sri Lanka. On brand, makes sense, right? And I honestly just liked the graphic on it. It's a bag. I got a lot of these. They had some that was like half this size, and so I got like 10 of them with little like evil eye charm bracelets, and I gave that out as souvenirs. These bags were literally like, I want to say like 50 cents. It was so cheap. But I got a bigger one because I really like the graphic of it, and I bought a frame on Amazon, and we are going to put this on the frame. Hopefully it fits. Oh wait, I kind of like the painting that is already in the frame, actually. Like, look how cute that is. I'm hoping that this fits. in there. I did not measure it. I just saw this and I bought it, and we'll see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, then I might just keep this painting in there and find another frame, but we'll see. Anyway, how am I liking Jersey thus far? It's been, I want to say like 2-3 weeks. So in a better place than I was a couple months ago. I've been really trying to change my framework of my mindset. You know, it's really easy to go through life thinking that when things go wrong, you are the victim in the situation, and that isn't necessarily the best frame of mind to think of it, because then for me personally, I was just feeling bitter. Like all the time, I just was upset and just talking shit and feeling bitter and upset about my situation. And it just took me like pausing for a second and thinking and being like, sis, number one, you need to stop crashing out, because you're crashing out and having mental breakdowns like every single day. I literally would be like waking up in tears. Number two, you are the only one who can actually change the situation that you're in. So if you don't like the situation that you're in, instead of being upset and crying and blaming other people, maybe this is a sign from the universe, from God, from whatever higher power that you believe in, that you need to stop and figure out redirection. Maybe it's time for a change. Maybe it's time for you to go a different way, because this way is clearly not working. And instead of thinking it as a negative and that the world is out against you and all this junk, stop and maybe try something else, you know? So that's what I did. And thankfully it worked for me, you know?
I really need to do something with my hair because this is not it. It still looks okay, but I definitely need to take this bad boy out. I actually really do like this hairstyle. I know before I said it was giving emo Ozzy Osbourne, and I think that's just because I'm not used to seeing this color hair on me. My hair naturally is like slightly lighter than this, so it just was a little weird. It does shed, but that could be purely to me not applying it properly. But for the most part, very low maintenance. I just do this mousse in it to help the curls define. This is real hair, by the way. Ooh, ooh. But yeah, for the most part, really good. I got 3 bundles of this hair, and I have about 1.5 bundles left. So I think that, I know the last video was dramatic. It was like, I'm never doing my hair again myself, but bottom line is I honestly save so much money by doing it myself. So it'll be interesting trying to do it myself in this tiny apartment, because other times I did it, it was in a normal size apartment. But I will try it again and we will see how that works, you guys. I don't know if I should just do, I think I'll just do a ponytail. My hair, the edges are not edging, but I have pretty bad psoriasis, so I try not to put gel in my hair when I don't have to. If I'm obviously going out and I need to look presentable, I'll do it, but for the most part, I really don't care if my edges look fuzzy. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Hopefully it looks decent. I'm gonna put some of this. This is the leave-in, but I just put it in this applicator. I'm gonna put this in some places. This stuff smells really good. I have the pre-wash too, and that's what I've been mostly washing my hair with before I get in, like after I work out. It's nice to just put that on the scalp. And boom, that is my hair. Gosh, see it like sheds. And for my makeup, I already put sunscreen on. It's the sunscreen that I use. And then for makeup, I'm feeling really lazy. I don't usually wear makeup anyway. But we're gonna just put a little bit on. This, it's like a merit, I guess. I got this in a gift bag, so yeah. Just do like that. And I pop that in on the cheeks. Like so. And then I take this, it's like a highlighter, and I put that on the cheeks on top of what I just patted in. Like that. And yeah. That's about all I do. I need to find my eyelash brush though, because these lashes are not cute right now. I need to brush them, but I can't find my eyelash brush. I'll just brush it up like that. I'll find it eventually. I'm pretty sure it's in my luggage because I remember packing it when I went to Berlin. But definitely need it now. But either way, done. Current fit. Is it anything special? No, but it will do. Going to dinner with a friend, and yeah, we're getting Thai food. Very original, right? I freaking love Thai food. I'm always eating it. Anyway, let's go into Manhattan, West Village to be exact. I don't know what they're waiting for, but I'm happy that I'm not going to that place. It's insane. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm literally never out in the West Village, but it is so lively. Look at this. It looks like there's an Asian food market, which is why it's probably so poppin' right now. I'm really happy that I put a reservation in this place that I'm going, because it looks like places here are packed. Like there's lines to get in everywhere, basically.
So good.
Cheers! Woohoo! You know?
Oh my god.
What a beauty. Your coffee looks really good too.
Oh my god. It's so good.
And it was like,
Wow. What a beauty.
what are you bringing? Another show of attitude.
I have your attention, please? We are working hard to keep you safe on kind of every day.
Cut our time in half.
I'm so full. I'm a food baby. I also had dairy, so now my tummy's hurting. It was so worth it though. It was mango sticky rice.
Sorry, I was like living in the past. I'm like,
Yeah.
there were some hard times.
I'm just chilling now,
And it took
back
us a while to
home,
get everything.
and
I also think the
I need to
landscape of
hang
music is very
these
different today.
paintings.
This is interesting stat from Nielsen that 10% of watch time. on
First, we're
campus
going to the
is
bathroom though. God. Since I've gotten back from Berlin, I have ordered a case of these because I'm addicted to them. They're honestly really not anything special, but it just reminds me of Berlin and I love Berlin. So I'm like, you know what? Why not order these so I can drink them? They're healthier than normal American energy drinks. It does still have like 16 grams of sugar in it, but it's at least natural. So prefer to drink this than like a Celsius or something. Today is the day that we get these paintings on the wall, you guys. I also have to clean my apartment, clean my bathroom because it's already dirty. I also have to do laundry. So it is a busy day today. I have some work that I also want to do. But today's Sunday. I have to work tomorrow. So let's get it done. So hopefully tonight I can try and rest before the day tomorrow. I think first what I'll do is just like make my bed, tidy up around, and then work on hanging these photos. So let's do it. No idea how to properly hang these paintings on that wall. I think the best bet for me right now is just to hang one painting at a time, the paintings that I know for sure that I want on the wall, and then try and create some kind of design one by one. I know it's better to map it out, but I just don't have the mental capacity or the brain cells to figure that out, so we're just gonna do it like this. The first painting that I'm going to hang is this one. I actually found this painting on the street. Like most of my stuff in here, leveler that I bought, so I'll just like level the tape to make sure the tape is even, and then you'll see what I'm doing. Okay, so let's start with that painting first. Yikes. Okay. I don't know if I need to hang it like this. Sometimes we hold on to versions of ourselves that we've already outgrown. But life isn't about clinging to what no longer serves us. It's about perspective. When you look back, don't resent the detours or the lessons. Appreciate them. They got you here. Growth isn't always loud. Sometimes it's just knowing where to let go and move forward with gratitude. It's not just about the past, it's about the steps that got you here. Sometimes taking a step back gives you the clarity you didn't know you needed. Doesn't look bad, but I think like maybe like more smaller ones to like fill that hole, something right here. But for the most part, I think it looks okay. But honestly, this is the best I can and will do. Being on the outside looking in, that's where perspective hits. And when it does, you start to see the journey for what it was, necessary. Every move, every step, it all added up to now.